Hey family, if you are experiencing hair loss, please, this is the best video for you. Please do well to subscribe to the channel if you are new. We'll be making our own potent hair growth oil. You can use as a pre-poo, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, or you just can use it as your normal hair growth oil. So our first ingredient is rosemary leaves. You can either use fresh rosemary leaves or dry rosemary leaves. Either of them are very potent and very powerful. Our next ingredient is fenugreek seeds. Guys, if you don't have fenugreek in your kitchen, or if you don't have fenugreek in your house, please do well to get one for yourself. It's very good for you. And our third but not least ingredient is mixed herbs. So these are herbs I mix myself, like a combination of rosemary, fenugreek, amla, henna, neem powder, all these herbs mixed together, and then I added it for added potency rather than adding only one type of herb. So now that I have all my ingredients together, my rosemary, my fenugreek seeds, and my mixed herbs together, I make sure I stir them very well in order to infuse so well, like to infuse very well. After I get them to infuse, this is the tricky part. You can either do a double boiler method, that's putting it on a steam heat for about an hour for it to infuse quite gently, or just leave it in a cool dry place for about 4 to 5 weeks, and it's also going to infuse very well. So this is me leaving it like that. I placed it in a container and then left it in closed doors. After 4 weeks, I came back to it. I added additional herbs of crumb. I wanted it to be very potent, and I also wanted the green color of the oil. So I added more herbs in order to get that result that I wanted. And this is the result, guys. This oil is very potent. Don't use this oil if you don't want to experience massive hair growth. It's crazy. You don't need to believe in it. You just have to use it, and you're going to experience great improvement in your hair growth. So one reason why I like hair growth oils is because they really promote hair growth. I was having serious alopecia on my edges, and then I started using hair growth oil, and it really did the magic. Yes, so I recommend hair growth oils to be used consistently, in addition to having a good hair care practice. Yes, so when I was done, I strained everything into my applicator bottle. If you have a dropper bottle, you can also strain everything into your dropper bottle, and then it's ready to be used. Guys, I've given three ways you can use this: either as a pre-poo, as a hot oil treatment, or as a normal hair growth oil, like your normal hair growth oil if you want to apply it on your scalp. In this video, I'm using it as an oil to seal in my moisture very well. So this is me moisturizing my hair, and then I added my herbs infused spray and then hair butter, and then followed up with my oil. This is the LCO method in order to infuse, or in order to make sure my hair is well moisturized. Apart from using it like this, if you're experiencing lots of shedding, I advise you use this as your hot oil treatment. So with that, after you apply it on your hair, you cover your hair up for about an hour for the oil to do its magic before you shampoo the hair out. It's really going to provide so much nutrient to your hair. It's going to really provide shine and strength onto your hair in order to reduce hair breakage or reduce any scalp related issues. Guys, the important step that most of us ignore is massaging the scalp. Please, I cannot emphasize on this. Massage your scalp as often as you can, because massaging the scalp is very important. It really promotes hair growth. I'm ending here for today. Have you learned anything from this video? Is this a recipe you'll be trying yourself? If you'll be trying yourself, how would you want to use it? As a pre-poo, as your normal hair growth oil, or as hair oil treatment or hot oil treatment? Let me know your comments. Let me know your topics. Let me know your questions or any suggestions in the comments so that I answer every one of them. My name is Lydia once again. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It's a new year and we are growing healthy long hair this year. No one is going to slack with this. Till next time, stay safe out there and happy new year to you all if you are watching this video in January 2024. Bye.